Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashli Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, we're going to cover another edit mode feature, which is the edit mode toggle function. You can assign this function to a keyboard or steno or voice input command, and easily toggle in and out of edit mode. And I'm going to show you how you can set up and start using this command. The edit mode macro is a standard macro and you can assign it to a keyboard entry or a steno or a voice input entry. First, I'm going to assign it to a steno stroke. I'll press Ctrl D. I'll select the steno I'd like to use. I'll press OK. And in the special entries dropdown, I'm going to choose execute macro. And I'm going to go down and select edit mode toggle. I'll press OK. And Eclipse automatically puts in the correct syntax for me. And I'll want to make sure that this goes into my main dictionary, and I'll press OK. Next, I can also go to User Settings, Edit, Keyboard, press Add, and where it says Command, I can select Edit Mode Toggle, and assign a keystroke to that command. Now that I have a keystroke and a steno stroke that I can use to turn on edit mode, I have a few options of how I can use those. First, I'm going to open up another job. And so this is a job that I wrote using Boost Flow. And I'm going to put my cursor at the beginning of the job. And I'm going to hit my keystroke to turn on edit mode. And you see that Eclipse prompts me with which stroke I should start from. I'm going to press last. And now that I'm in edit mode, I can move my cursor to any location in my document using strokes on my steno machine or with my voice. And I can add text wherever I need to. Or I can use any of the other edit mode commands that are found within the edit mode dictionary. If I start a real-time file, I can write any text that I need to write. And I can use my real-time macros to move my cursor through my document, use my edit mode toggle macro to enter edit mode, and add any additional text or perform any other edit mode commands that I'd like to. So the edit mode toggle command is one to be familiar with because it's what allows you to get in and out of edit mode and gives you access to those edit mode dictionary entries. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.